Welcome to my channel. Now let's watch One Pillar Pagoda in Hanoi. The One Pillar Pagoda is one of the most iconic Buddhist temples in Hanoi, known for its unique architecture and spiritual significance. Originally built in 1049 by Emperor Ly Thai Tong of the Ly dynasty, the pagoda was inspired by a lotus blossom symbolizing purity in Buddhism. Legend says the emperor dreamt of the goddess of mercy handing him a baby boy while seated on a lotus, which led him to construct the temple in gratitude for being blessed with a son. The structure stands on a single stone pillar about 1.25 meters in diameter and 4 meters high, rising from the middle of a small lotus pond. The wooden temple atop the pillar represents a lotus emerging from the water, a symbol of enlightenment. It has been reconstructed multiple times, particularly after being destroyed by the French in 1954. Visitors come here to pray for health, fertility, and peace. Offerings are made at the small shrine inside dedicated to the goddess Kwan Bodhisattva of mercy. Kwan is the goddess of mercy, a popular bodhisattva in Mahayana Buddhism. The One Pillar Pagoda is a striking Buddhist temple that has stood for over 1,000 years. The pagoda is a significant place of worship for Buddhists and is a testament to the importance of religion in Vietnamese culture. The pagoda's lotus flower shape and a single pillar on which it stands symbolize purity and wisdom rising from the muddy waters. It is open daily from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., with opening times also dependent on Ba Dinh Square and the Mausoleum. The One Pillar Pagoda is situated within the Ho Chi Minh Complex, which also includes the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. It is about 3 kilometers from the center of Hanoi city. You have a restaurant here. You have a small shop too. I like this Buddhist temple. I hope you liked it too. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.